Welcome back. In this segment, we're going to do an alcohol-free cocktail with our excellent new batch of strawberry syrup. And we're going to get right into it. And as we've talked about, I know you're probably getting sick of hearing me say it, the thing that makes a lot of alcohol-free cocktails not so exciting is that either A, they lack balance, meaning there's nothing to balance the sweet ingredients, which give a lot of drinks their fruit flavors like strawberry syrup. Or there's just not enough interesting ingredients in there. It's just kind of a one-note thing. Whereas usually drinks with alcohol have the benefit of a complex spirit to give something depth of flavor. So what we're gonna do is pull out a few more tricks. So we've got these Fee Brothers lemon bitters. I like these, and they're also, Fee Brothers makes their bitters, instead of using alcohol to make them, they use glycerin. So if you're really a stickler for exactly, you want zero alcohol, Fee Brothers might be the brand for you. Give them a quick two dashes of that. And then we're gonna go with an ounce of our strawberry syrup. An ounce of fresh squeezed grapefruit. Another issue you have with non-alcoholic drinks is that you feel like you have to put more of the sweet ingredient in there to stretch because there's no volume. So if you have soda water, that's good. I've got some green tea in here that I brewed with not so much tea, so it's a little lighter. It'll get in there, there'll be something a little more interesting, and that herbaceous note goes very, very well with strawberry, but it's not gonna dominate. And an ounce on that. Now you can present this a number of ways. We're gonna give you one more guy like that. There you go. I like to put non-alcoholic drinks in vessels that you normally would expect to get handed a drink with alcohol or a real drink. It just makes people that are, maybe if not everybody is drinking a non-alcoholic drink, it's not so obvious, like, oh, who's the guy with the Diet Coke? So, now it doesn't have to be the world's longest shake, because we're gonna strain this right onto some fresh ice. Sun. And we're going to put a little mint on top of that. Just a couple of leaves. Quick stir. Make sure the leaves still look pretty. There you go. Enjoy.